I'm going to show you how to work with the script, Arrange by Axis. I have installed the macro script. I have the button here on top of the toolbar. A UX note to pay attention to. Shift plus click will open the UI options. I'm going to press Shift and click. It opens the UI, I can select everything. And you can arrange the order, axis, and distance using incremental. I'll show this later on. Let's try it with size and apply. As you can see, you arrange by the X and by size. Let's change to Y, now Z. As you can see, everything is aligned properly and the distance is set incrementally. If I press apply, you add a meter, and you'll be adding. Click reverse to subtract distance. It's worth noting that when you've set up your settings, they are saved on close. So every time you single-click the button, it's going to apply the settings. If you have many objects selected, it's going to align everything in order. It's a good way to organize your imported scene assets. Finally, as an alternative, try the Arrange by Grid script. Enjoy.